Drop. Stop it, Grizz. I have the wind one. My white wing's in that tree right there, alive still. Fetch him up. Fetch him up. Fetch him up. Find him. Find him. There he is, right there. Good boy. Drop. Drop. And no head. Right here. Fetch it up. Right here. Drop. Good boy. It could be walking around. Fetch him up. Over here, Grizz. Dead bird. Dead bird. Find him. Right here. Good boy. Let's try and find this morning dove now. Oh, good boy. You found him. Drop it. Good boy. I wouldn't have found it. Good. I'm glad he died. There's some birds landing in these trees, so let's try and go get them. I only brought one box of shells with me. There's a lot of ringnecks. Grizz. I may have shot this one a little close. Let's hope I can find this one without the dog. I thought he was gonna stay here, that's why I shot the second one. There it is. I was off by a lot. Blind person. Grizz. You thought that was a bird, Grizz. Right here, dead bird. Find him, dead bird. Dead bird, find him. Good boy, right here. Drop it. Thank you. Grizz. Dead bird. Right here. Right here. Right here, Grizz. Look. Arr. Mr. Ringneck. No band. You ready to go find it, Grizz? Let's go find a white wing. Come on. Let's go find a white wing. Let's go find a white wing, Grizz. I know where it is, but you don't know where it is. Nope, you do not. Over here. That bird. Find it. That bird. Fetch it up. Good boy. Bring here. Bring here. Hey. Here. Okay, you're going to pee. Let. Got me a big old ringneck. Make sure y'all pick up y'all's shells, because this is just stupid. You can tell someone was just sitting right here and they just were shooting in one spot. Easily to pick up their shells.
gonna be at least 4 of these died.
My gun. That one almost landed in the car, didn't it? Oh, it went in the. It went in the tree over here.
There's one right under the car.
Yeah, it went over here. Yeah. My gun jammed. Otherwise, I would have got another one. Good shot. I was gonna go take pictures of my birds right here with the sunset on my lanyard that I made, and there was a bird in the field, so I'll give it to one of the guys over there. Ah, darn it. Goodbye.
And this gun works good.
Which one did I get? Doesn't matter. I had some.
Come on, James, pull the trigger some more.
I had a box of Winchesters.
What's that?
I suck with Winchester bullets.
Oh, they do, right? Yeah,
Like,
Winchester's just so they have a paper watch.
Like, I can't hit. I think I shot a box and I killed like 4 or 5.
Yeah.
Look at these right here. I ain't shooting at them. I'm gonna go see if this one's in this tree. Find it. Right here. Here. Drop. Come on, let's go. Dead bird. Right here, Grizz.